Home farming is a powerful way to reconnect with nature. You don't need a large plot of land, just a balcony, backyard, or even windowsill. It allows you to grow your own healthy and fresh food. Start by selecting easy-to-grow vegetables like spinach, lettuce, chili, or tomatoes. These crops thrive in containers and require minimal maintenance. Choose what you and your family enjoy eating. The key to healthy plants starts with good soil. Use a mix of compost, garden soil, and organic matter. Healthy soil improves water retention and supports root development. Sunlight is essential for photosynthesis. Most crops need at least 6 hours of sun daily. Observe which part of your home receives the most sunlight and plan your garden there. For limited space, vertical farming is an excellent option. Use hanging pots, stacked containers, or repurposed shelves. This technique maximizes productivity while saving space. Containers and pots can be made from recycled materials like buckets, old bottles, or tins. Ensure they have drainage holes. Use trays underneath to catch excess water. Make sure your pots have drainage holes, and use trays underneath to catch any excess water. Always water your plants consistently, but not excessively. Overwatering can cause root rot, while underwatering dries out the soil, so you really want to find that balance. To check if your plant needs a drink, just use your finger to test the soil moisture before watering. Composting, by the way, is a sustainable way to create your own fertilizer at home. Use kitchen scraps like fruit peels, vegetable waste, and coffee grounds, but avoid putting meat or oily items in your compost. For small spaces, choose herbs like basil, mint, parsley, or cilantro. They grow fast, and honestly, they really enhance your meals. Place them near your kitchen for easy access, so you can just grab what you need. Home farming is also a great way to teach children about sustainability. Let them help out, water the plants, harvest veggies, or plant seeds. It builds responsibility and appreciation for nature, which is pretty cool. Use natural pest control instead of harmful chemicals. Neem oil, garlic spray, or companion planting can help keep bugs away, which is super handy. Encourage beneficial insects like ladybugs and bees, as they actually help your plants thrive. For larger spaces, consider building raised beds. They're great for drainage and weed control. Plus, you can grow multiple vegetables in one frame, making the most out of your space. Rainwater harvesting can help you water your plants sustainably. Collect rain in buckets or install a rain barrel system. It reduces your water bill and benefits the environment. Grow root vegetables like carrots, radish, or potatoes in deep containers. Loosen the soil for easier growth. Harvest when the top leaves begin to yellow and wilt. Microgreens like arugula or sunflower sprouts are nutrient-dense and grow quickly. Harvest them within 10 to 14 days. They're perfect for smoothies or salads. If you're short on time, set up an automated drip irrigation system. This ensures consistent watering and saves effort. You can use timers to control water flow. In colder climates, use a mini greenhouse or cover plants with plastic sheeting. This protects them from frost. Indoors, use grow lights to substitute sunlight. Practice crop rotation by planting different vegetables in the same soil each season. This prevents nutrient depletion and reduces the risk of pests. Your soil stays healthier longer, honestly. Track your progress using a planting journal. Note down dates, weather, growth stages, and problems. It helps improve future harvests and troubleshooting, which is super handy. Don't forget about fruiting plants like strawberries or dwarf citrus trees. These thrive in pots and produce sweet rewards. Use organic fertilizers for better yield. Include pollinator-friendly flowers in your garden. Marigolds, zinnias, and lavender attract bees and butterflies. They also beautify your growing space, making it look lush. Use mulch to retain moisture and prevent weeds. You can use dried leaves, straw, or coconut husks. It's an easy, low-cost trick to boost soil health. Recycle old plastic bottles into self-watering planters. Cut them in half, add a wick, and create your own watering system. It's a great DIY for beginners, honestly. Harvest your crops when they are ripe and at their peak flavor. Don't wait too long or the taste may decline. Enjoy the satisfaction of eating what you've grown. There's nothing quite like it. Home farming is more than a hobby. It's a lifestyle. It saves money, supports your health, and reduces your carbon footprint. Start small and grow with love and consistency. Trust me, it's worth it.